Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Essie from Beyond Beauty. Today I'm going to be making a V-part wig for one of my clients. Actually, two of my clients requested this wig. This is a wig that you can wear with your natural hair out, and I'm going to be making it by hand, and I also make the cap. And I make the cap based on the measurements of my client's head. And these units are very versatile. They can wear the units to the side, in the middle part, a side part on the left or right. So here I have the items that I'm going to be using to make the cap. I use a stretch net. I use the stretch band because it's more comfortable for the client. And I also use some nylon needle and nylon thread and needle. The client's hair. I have some wig clips as well. So I'm just showing you the hair. One client has shorter hair and another client has some longer black hair. So I'm going to show you the black hair. This is some raw hair that my client sent me, and she colored it black, but she did not sort out the hair. So she just put the hair in the bag and gave it to me. So I am actually sorting out the hair so that I can make sure that I have all the lengths together. So here I am sorting through the hair, and guys, please don't do this to your stylist because it takes a little time to sort the hair out. So I'm sorting out the hair, and I'm seeing what we have here. So it looks like she has approximately 3 bundles. A couple of them look like she may have cut the wefts. So I'm sorting them out to make sure that I have all the lengths together to see what I'm working with. So now here I am constructing the cap. So what I do is I make sure that I have a wig block that is the size of my client's head. And from the measurements of my client's head, this wig block is like the model. So here I've actually constructed the wig cap, and I am sewing it and making sure that the wig cap is sturdy. So now I'm reinforcing some of the base stitches that I did by hand with the sewing machine so that the cap construction can be more secure. Now let's move on to stitching the wefts. So here I am stitching the wefts by hand onto the wig block. And the reason why I transferred the cap back to the wig block is because it's important to make sure that you not only are stitching with the sewing machine. The thing with the sewing machine is that you can miss stretching out the cap enough for the client's head size, and you can stitch too tightly with the sewing machine. So to ensure that it's the right size and has enough stretch, I prefer to stitch on the wig block because I want to make sure that this cap does not get stitched too tightly and it's stretched out enough for my client's comfort. And I don't want to resize my cap or incorrectly stitch my cap by using the sewing machine. Now you can always go back, and sometimes I do this, sometimes I will go back and restitch the stitches that I did by hand just to reinforce them with the sewing machine. But I prefer to hand stitch because I get more of an accurate size when it comes to doing it by hand on the wig block. I hate to do all this work and the cap doesn't fit because I use the sewing machine. So here I'm just constructing the wig, and as you can see, I already know where the weft placement should be. So sometimes I will take and pre-draw the wefts. I would use like a piece of chalk to draw where the wefts go, but I've been doing it so long I really don't need to. So this is what the wig looks like when it's done. And what I did was I actually added wig clips all the way around the wig. Well, one in the back and about 3 or 4 on the top. So she can just clip this into her braids and leave her hair out, and she can wear it in the center part as I'm showing you there. And she can actually, if she decides to, she can wear it on the side or a nice deep side part if she prefers. And and she can just leave her hair out to cover up the wefts, and she can pull the wefts. She can pull the parting as close or as far apart as she needs to based on how much hair she decides to leave out. And as you can see, she can also switch it to the opposite side. So it's very versatile. You can do a lot of different styles with this. You can have your parting as close together or as far apart as you feel comfortable based on how much hair you leave out. And it's a great protective style, and it's quick, it's sassy, and it's sexy. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I just wanted to show you another type unit that I also make for my clients here at Accessories Beauty. Take care.